knew it. He would do it. I knew it. He would do it. Oh my goodness, that was so beautiful. Woo! That is why I love Zhou Shen so much. Hello ladies and gentlemen, those in between, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Everett, and for today's video we are going to be reacting to another Zhou Shen's live performance. Zhou Shen is here! Oh, guys, before we move on, I might as well keep the size of this video this small. I'm gonna just put the link to the original video in the description box so that you guys can check it out by yourselves without any interruption, okay? But for this reaction video, I might as well keep the size of this video this small because of copyright issues, okay? And also, I prepared here the English translation of the lyrics of the song on the right hand side of the video because I want to make sure I'm able to understand this song. Oh gosh, listen to that beautiful voice. Now I see his face. I really love the way Zhou Shen controls his voice as always. I've already said this so many times, but really guys, when it comes down to performing live, it's not all about showing off what you can do as a singer or how powerful your voice is and whatnot. Zhou Shen truly understands the essence of art, the essence of delivering a message instead of bragging about what he can do as a singer, you know what I mean? And that is why I love this guy so much. Everybody give him a round of applause. Now people are giving him a round of applause. Oh my god, look at that smile! Oh my goodness, Kimto's smile is... Zhou Shen's smile, sorry. Zhou Shen's smile is so charming. Oh goodness gracious. I love his smile here. Oh, together. Oh my goodness, I love that. Together forever apart. Love the way he controls his voice. Oh my gosh! Oh goodness gracious! Yes! You guys have hands! You guys have hands! Give him a round of applause. That was beautifully done. Oh, voice control. His voice is so soothing to the ears. Oh my goodness. I don't know, maybe it's just I can't remember exactly the last time I made a reaction video to Zhou Shen's live performance. Maybe I just miss him. Okay, I think I'm reacting this way because I miss him. I miss listening to his voice. His voice is therapeutic. Excuse me. Okay, we are at the bridge part of the song now. I'm not exactly sure whether Zhou Shen is actually singing this song in its original key, because as far as I know, this song is originally sung by Che Yu. Yeah. So this song apparently is originally is in a female key. So I don't know whether Zhou Shen is singing the song in its original key. But of course, Zhou Shen can do that. He can actually sing in a female key. Because, I mean, vocally speaking, he's capable. Oh, come on, instrumentation. I knew it, he would do it. I knew it, he would do it. Oh my goodness, that was so beautiful. Woo! That is why I love Zhou Shen so much. My favorite Chinese singer. You know it. I mean, if you've been following my YouTube channel. That was beautiful and tasty. Hands down. Hands down. Oh gosh. Zhou Shen, thank you. 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 All right, guys. First of all, the English translation of the title of the song is "Birds and Fish," and originally this is sung by a female singer. So I might as well check out the original version of the song just for me to have some points of comparison between Zhou Shen's live performance of the song and, of course, the original version of the song. But I'm telling you guys, Zhou Shen nailed it. He slayed. He absolutely delivered the message of the song with the right amount of emotions. Kudos. And of course, he looks good in his all white outfit, and I love his necklace. He looks good here, and I love his hairstyle here. Oh my goodness, I really miss our baby Zhou Shen. Anyway, guys, please let me know in the comment section below how you feel about this song. All right, so I guess that's about it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like this video, hit the like button, hit subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified when my next video comes out. Peace out.